Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Tracy Swartzendruber. I'm the Vice President of Marketing for GE Digital's power generation oil and gas business. It's my pleasure to be with you this afternoon and walk you through three announcements from today. So it might go without saying, I understand most of you know who we are, but I'm going to say it anyway because I'm in marketing. GE Digital is part of Big GE. We are about a $1 billion business composed of 4 different business units spanning the energy value chain through manufacturing through aviation. And at GE, we say that we're building a world that works. For us at Digital, it means putting industrial data to work, whether that's helping customers boost their production of critical goods and resources in spite of COVID-19, or enabling more reliable and affordable power, just 2 examples. What unites our businesses is our mission. We bring simplicity, speed, and scale to business. We make it easy for them to operate, analyze, and optimize through data. We have roughly 4,000 employees. 1/4 of them are engineers. We have 300 PhDs with deep domain expertise and 21,000 customers worldwide. But let's get to the news. Today's announcements really do highlight a concerted effort to deliver greater outcomes and faster time to value to our customers through technology partners. This includes a partnership with Visionize to deliver 3D visualizations within APM, an entirely new product line we call accelerators, and our designation as an AWS Energy Competency Partner. So let's get started. Our first announcement, GE Digital partners with Visionize to provide 3D visualization capabilities to APM. Visionize is a provider of operational 3D digital twins, and its technology is designed to help empower data-driven businesses with high accuracy visualization capabilities for operational use cases that can provide safety, reduce time to maintain, and reduce cost. Visionize's vSuite Starter can be incorporated seamlessly into GE Digital's APM integrity solution for inspection, maintenance, and engineering. This optimizes asset management processes and facilitates decision-making. Users are now able to view real-time and historic asset data on a 3D model that delivers timely and valuable actions and insights. And here, you can see how the vSuite Starter integrates right into APM integrity. Again, showing the integrity's attributes by color coding on the model. This enables the user to really quickly filter out the noise and get to what matters most. The ability to dynamically visualize and contextualize data helps inspectors, planners, maintenance technicians, corrosion analysts, and risk-based inspectors become more efficient and effective. And what's more, 3D visualizations can help improve worker safety and productivity with situational awareness. This can lead to less time spent in a hazardous environment. And for example, an accurate 3D model can enable recovery planning even before workers can access the site and facilitate faster time to resolution. Next up, GE Digital launches accelerator tools to help energy companies accelerate digital transformation. What are accelerators? Well, accelerators are advanced digital techniques and product configurations that empower companies to quickly configure GE Digital's APM. They're basically bringing faster time to value. They can scale APM to a wider range of assets and help enterprises gain financial value from the site through the enterprise. The first set of accelerators includes an extensive library of predictive analytics, asset management strategies, and standard health and reliability processes. They can be applied to the entire energy value chain, whether that's oil and gas, through power generation in its many forms, whether that be renewables of wind and solar, through gas power and nuclear, for example. And while energy companies have used asset management practices for decades on the highest criticality equipment, today's operating environment requires that they extend that to even more assets in the plant. And in short, accelerators help energy companies expand processes without consuming more time, more resources required on custom configuration. Built on the foundation of GE's APM strategy, asset strategy accelerators target a range of assets and criticality. Balance of plant assets includes supporting and auxiliary energy producing equipment ranging from rotating, mechanical, electrical, safety, and controls. The asset strategy accelerators are imported into the APM database and are applied in either failure modes or effects analysis for asset management applications. In addition to GE Digital's own asset strategy library, we've partnered with Stork to pull in their experience, their expertise in building out a collection of predefined strategy techniques known for failure modes, prescribing mitigating actions for a wide variety of asset types, including balance of plant. And the standard health and reliability accelerators are designed to configure a holistic view of an asset's overall health. They mine through data inputs in APM to detect critical issues and other concerns. The policy engine consumes the data to calculate an asset's overall health, and therefore can prioritize assets needing attention. Again, you should be hearing a theme here. This reduces time to value, offers deeper insights to companies so they can prioritize maintenance efforts and scale APM across the enterprise. What's more, this is just the beginning. We intend to build out additional accelerators for APM as well as other applications to bring even more best practices and faster time to value for customers. And last, but certainly not least, GE Digital achieves AWS Energy Competency status. As an advanced technology partner of AWS, GE Digital has also been accepted into the AWS Energy Competency. This designation recognizes that GE Digital has demonstrated deep expertise in leveraging AWS to build, implement, and integrate technology that transforms complex business processes and operational systems required for the energy transition. GE Digital's APM solutions were the basis of this designation and went under rigorous technical validation, including a customer reference audit. The AWS Energy Competency provides customers in the energy value chain the ability to more easily select skilled partners to help accelerate their digital transformation with confidence.